So this is page 101. We don't need to do this part of the calculation because we already figured out that lamb lost 3.1 kilograms of body fat. So the book shows you how to do it this way, but we're going to use our decimal multiplier to do these problems. So the next problem says 7.5% of the boys in the Joe school plays lacrosse. So that's our part, and that part is represented by 30 boys. So we want to find the whole, how many boys in the school. So we know that 30 out of blank, what we're trying to find, is the same as 30 part over whole. So this is our part. We're trying to find the whole, how many boys in the school. So we want to determine that value of the whole. So 30 out of blank is the same as 7.5% out of 100, or 7.5 out of 100. So there's our part, there's our whole. So there's our proportional equation right here. The boys who play lacrosse, the total boys, are part, percent, part in numbers, our whole in percent, our whole in numbers. That's what we're trying to find. And we want to use our decimal multiplier again. So we're going to find our decimal multiplier from top to bottom. That's 0.075. You can use your calculator to do this. 0.75 out of 100 divided by 100. Now we're going in the opposite direction. We're going from top to bottom. So we're going to divide by 0.075. So our decimal percentage is from bottom to top. We're going to go the opposite direction. So we're going to divide, and so we end up with 30 divided by 0.075. Don't forget the 0. And we end up with 400 as the whole. Okay, so that represents 400. So the answer is there are 400 boys at Joe's school. Okay, we can do all this stuff as well, but again, we've kind of worked all this stuff out. Okay, you can fill in the proportions if you like on top, but we've kind of worked this all out. This we don't really need to do.